Hey everybody, it's your boy Slushy Student 38. I'm back with another car video. Today a big day for the car. So if y'all tuning in, thank you for watching. Hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. Yeah, I'm about to head to the shop. I just got my parts, so I'm about to go put this exhaust system on. Hopefully everything go good. Usually when you do car stuff happens. So everything go good today, we'll be good. So I'm about to try to film everything for y'all. So like I said before, yeah, hit that like button, smash it. Let's get it. Hey everybody, this is the car before I go to the shop. Giving y'all another look. About to do a cold start right here. Show y'all how the engine sound and the exhaust sound inside of the whip. And that's how it sounds now. So when I get there, I'll try to film some more for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so hopefully y'all guys like that. This is a before and after thing too, so hopefully everything go good at the shop. You know, usually when you do car parts, like I said before, stuff don't go right. So yeah, stay tuned, I'm about to put on it right now and just see what happens. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I'm just headed to this other shop. It's a muffler shop. He just referred me to go there because it's a buddy of his. He said that he's not expensive or anything. So I'm trying to record as much as I can, like I said before. And, you know, stuff happens. So, yeah. Like, you know, I'm never gonna let that stop me from trying to do what I'm trying to do, you know. I'm about to make this car sound like a monster. I'm trying to. But yeah, I'm gonna flip this camera around so y'all can see me pulling up to this place right now. All right, that's the joint right here. It's called All-Star Discount. It's called All-Star Discount Muffler. I'm trying to like zoom in and drive at the same time. There it is right there. Yeah. It's on the west side. I got a 2014 Dodge Charger and I'm trying to delete the mufflers and I'm not trying to delete them, I'm trying to put some different ones on. Delete the resonant and the straight pipe. Yeah. Is that possible?
Yeah. You said it's a 14?
Yeah.
You waiting or dropping it off?
Hey everybody, I'm at the spot. So I'm dropping the car off actually. I'm about to show y'all right now. Dropping the car off. So he said it was a 2-hour wait. I'm about to leave and come back and they're gonna call me and then I'm gonna come back and film whatever I can under the car and we're gonna do all that. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all that. So another glimpse at that, but before I, when I come back, it's gonna be different. I'm gonna show y'all underneath and everything when we're gonna get to work. We had to wait 2 hours before we came back, so I'm about to go in there now, see what they said. The car already on the lift and everything. So I'm gonna try to get y'all some footage of that. So yeah, this is my first time ever doing some exhaust work like this, so it should be fun.
The middle muffler out and then put the 10 series in place of the rear ones. So you don't want technically this car's set up with 3 mufflers. Some people call that the resonator, some people call these, but they're actually 3 full-size mufflers. I'm one of these. When you straight pipe something, that means just a straight cut. So are we using
This is setup. It's kind of loud in here, y'all. This is setup, man. But we're about to just delete the 2 mufflers right here and make it straight pipe. Because it's basically a 3 muffler setup. That's under the body. We about to start it up, y'all, so we can see how it sounds after the lead, the chicken muffler release in the back.
No, with the V6, I was probably beat that one. Yeah, because if you leave the one in the middle, it's going to be louder, but it's also going to be a lot more high pitch. When you just eliminate the rear two and leave the middle one, it's a little bit quieter, but it's also a little bit deeper with it only being a V6. You want me to cut that one just so you can hear how it sounds, that way you're not questioning it, you know, and I'm going to leave the two down the road, that way you have all the bases covered. Yeah, for sure. Cut that.
Yeah, so look, I like the way it sounds now. It's a deep rumble. I like the way it sounds now. It's a real deep rumble. I'm really digging that, and I don't even have to use those Flowmasters mufflers like that. So he's about to cut it. He's about to lift it one more time. So the way it's set up is two mufflers in the back and there's one in the middle. So it's a fork. It's like a fork. One is in this, and it's like a fork. So it's two mufflers. So he deleted ones in the back. We're gonna do that, and then he's about to give me a test run to see how the one in the middle sounds. After he's just gonna cut it, and then it's gonna rev it again. He's gonna drop the car again, and we're gonna just see how it sounds. So if it sounds better, then I'm gonna keep that. If not, he's gonna weld it back together. So that's what I have. All right, everybody. So what I said earlier in the video, I deleted it because my car got three mufflers. It's a fork style setup. If you know anything about exhaust systems, it's a fork style exhaust system. So it got three mufflers. So I've deleted the two out the back. Gave me a test run and let me see how that sounded if I was to delete all three of them. It was a little bit more deep, but I just didn't like how loud it was for a V6. It was the background noise too. It's a bunch of stuff going on in the background too. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos once again. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start of this exhaust and everything once I get it down off the lift and everything. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's for sure, guys. y'all another cold start. It's later in the day. I want to get y'all one inside the vehicle, so that's what I'm about to do right now. So. Definitely more aggressive for sure. No, that's more like it. I'm impressed already with this exhaust. It was a real exciting day. I took the car to get a wash. I know y'all seen the exhaust. This morning I went and got my I got my parts and I tried to take it to my mechanic. So he just referred me to another one because he didn't have everything to like do the leaks and stuff. So I only paid $85 for that. I'll leave the name of the shop that I went to and the link down below. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed that cold start and the exhaust system. The car sounds so much better now. I'm so happy with that. And I did a bunch of other stuff too. I got a bunch of more stuff coming from the shop. Flat out stay tuned. It's your boy Such is tuned.